Hi guys, today we are going to be making whole wheat and semolina cupcakes with Bonvita buttercream. So to begin with, I am going to take this semolina. This is 1 cup semolina, and in that I am going to add this 1 cup of yogurt. I'm just going to pour it, and then I am going to give it a good mix. Just bring it together. It's going to look like this, and we are just going to let it stand for about 30 minutes. So guys, next step what we are going to do is I'm going to take an empty bowl, just like this, any bowl, and I'm going to take half cup of regular cooking oil. Just take any neutral flavor oil. If you have extra virgin olive oil, you can take that as well. Then I am going to add 3/4 cup powdered sugar. Now cupcakes that we are making, there are going to be a lot of cupcakes. That is why this is about 3/4 cup powdered sugar. I'm going to just dip all of that in. In that, I am also going to add this 2 teaspoon vanilla extract. There's a lot of muffins or cakes, so that's why we need 2 teaspoons, otherwise flavor is not going to come through. 1, and then I'm going to add the other one, which is my oil and sugar mixture, as you can see. Now in that I am going to add first about, this is 1/3 cup milk, so I'm going to add half of this quantity. So yeah, and then we're going to give it a go, which is going to loosen up the mixture. And now slowly I have here my whole wheat flour and my soaked suji, which I'm going to add gradually. So first I'm going to add a little bit of whole wheat flour, and then little bit of this suji mixture. We're just going to combine it together. Yeah. So as you can see, it's now I'm going to just add the last bit of semolina also. That's it. And we're going to add some more milk. I'm going to just leave a little bit. So this will be about, and now I'm also going to add, this is soda. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon soda and 1 teaspoon of my baking powder, and we're going to again give a final mix so that everything is incorporated well. Yeah. As soon as you'll mix soda, you'll see all of the bubbles rising up. So I have my greased molds here. Now I'm going to just start filling the batter in. About 2 tablespoons should go. 2 tablespoons will go in every mold. They'll rise a lot. So our cupcakes are out of oven, and look how nice they look. Star shape, heart shape, flower shape. So we're going to start making the buttercream. This is a semi-soft butter, 100 grams of it. Amul butter I've taken regular, and I'm going to just start beating it and beat it till it's fluffy and pale in color. This is how you want to do it. As you can see, it's becoming lighter in color. So now I'm going to be adding about, because Bonvita is slightly obviously sweet, I'm going to add just 4 tablespoons of icing sugar to begin with. So here goes 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. So once you add that, you again beat it so that all of the sugar is combined with butter. Remember, you must use icing sugar. Powdered sugar, I mean, it won't really work because it does have granules, and you know, you will be, it'll not melt, and you'll be able to feel it in your mouth. Okay, so now in my buttercream, basic buttercream, this is what you can use, you know, and add any flavoring to it, you know. Add vanilla essence, it'll become vanilla buttercream. Add my mango puree, which I had shared before, it'll become mango buttercream. Strawberry puree, strawberry buttercream, you know. You can add rose essence, pan essence, coffee, whatever you want. So today we are going to go with our kids' favorite Bonvita. So here in this I have taken about 2 tablespoons Bonvita, and I've just gently warmed it with half tablespoon water so that all of it melts. And now I'm just going to add it in the, just add all of it like that. Don't waste any of it. See, and now I'm just going to give it a mix. Look how wonderful it looks. Now what you can do is, if you want it to be, you know, stronger in Bonvita flavor, so here you go, you know, if you feel any of the Bonvita pieces are there, you just crush it down. Okay, so your basic Bonvita buttercream is ready, and next we're just going to pipe our cupcakes once they cool.